Why did you actually build this EV retrofit kit? Like, what was the need for it?
So, these vehicles, there's a policy that these vehicles have end of life. They need to be removed from the road after a few years, as per the policy of the government. So we thought that the cars are in good condition and they're supposed to be removed only because of the engines or because they're fuel-based car. So the thought was that we can increase the life of these vehicles because otherwise the car is in good shape. So the engine was removed, the fuel tank was removed, and instead of that, we used a retrofit kit that consisted of motor and the battery. So using that concept, we are making a better car which is giving you zero emissions and which is probably more efficient than the car that was previously used. So and also you're saving the energy that would have been used to scrap that car. And actually there was no scrapping policy in place when this thought came into our mind.
How long ago was it?
This was in the year 2015,
Yeah.
16. So that time there's no scrapping policy also. So it's just now that it has been introduced, but still you do need to have energy to scrap a car.
Yes.
So it's a win-win situation. You are saving on the carbon footprint by not scrapping a car and also retrofitting a car from a more emission, giving a more emission to a zero emission car. And also you're saving on the running cost of the car. The operation value we had calculated, there's a vast difference between the operation value as well. So it was a win-win situation for the user. That was the concept behind making a retrofit kit and converting a diesel or a gasoline-based car into an electric vehicle.